Let me tell you about two people. Same age, same job, same salary. $55,000 a year. One of them has $2,000 in the bank. The other has $10,000. On paper, it's just an $8,000 difference, but in reality, their entire lives are different. The way they sleep at night, the decisions they make, the opportunities they see, everything changes the moment they cross that $10,000 line. If you've ever wondered why some people seem to move forward while others stay stuck, this number is often the reason. Here's the thing, most people never hit that number. A 2023 survey found that nearly 60% of Americans couldn't cover a $1,000 emergency without going into debt. 60%! That means more than half the country is one car repair, one medical bill away from a financial crisis. And the crazy part? Many are making decent money, $50,000, $60,000, $70,000 a year. The problem isn't the lattes. The real reason is that their expenses expanded to match their income. A raise came, so they upgraded the apartment. A bonus hit, so they financed a nicer car. They made more money, but they never changed the one thing that actually matters, their relationship with money. But let's say you do it. You scrape together $10,000. What actually changes? First, you stop reacting and start responding. When you have less than that saved, every unexpected event is a crisis. Car breaks down, panic. Hours get cut at work, panic. You're constantly in fight or flight mode, and that stress poisons everything. But once you hit $10,000, a broken down car is just annoying. You handle it. That money buys you the ability to breathe. And here's something most people don't know. When you're broke, your brain literally can't see opportunity. Princeton University found that financial stress reduces cognitive function by about 13 IQ points. 13! When you're worried about rent, you're not thinking about a side business. Your brain is in survival mode. But with that $10,000 cushion, your brain relaxes. You start noticing things. A friend needs help with marketing, you see a side gig. Your company offers a 401k match, you actually sign up. You move from how do I survive this month to how do I build for next year. Getting there is hard. It might take you 2, maybe 3 years, but in the process of saving that first $10,000, you learn something invaluable. You learn discipline. You learn how to delay gratification, to know the difference between what you want and what you need. And those skills, they compound. The person who saved their first $10,000 can save the next $10,000 in half the time. They've already built the habits. And then comes the kicker. Your money starts working for you. Let's do the math. $10,000 in an index fund averaging 8% returns generates $800 a year. That's $67 a month you didn't have to work for. It's not life-changing yet, but it's proof of concept. Your money is making money. That first $10,000 is more than a safety net. It's a launch pad. It's the psychological line where you stop playing defense with your life and start playing offense. It fundamentally rewires your brain, builds habits that last a lifetime, and puts your money to work for the first time. It's one of the most important milestones you'll ever reach because it's not just about hitting a number, it's about becoming the person who can.
So how do you actually do it? How do you go from $2,000 in the bank or from 0 to $10,000? Let's break down the exact path. First, you have to treat it like a non-negotiable bill. Think about it. Your rent isn't optional. Your phone bill isn't a suggestion. Your $10,000 fund has to have that same weight. Set up an automatic transfer for the day after you get paid. Is it $500 a month? You'll hit $10,000 in 20 months. $400? 25 months. The specific amount doesn't matter nearly as much as the sheer relentless consistency. Automate it, and then mentally you have to let it go. Treat that money like it's already gone. Second, shift your focus. Increase your income, don't just shrink your life. I'm not going to tell you to stop buying coffee. Cutting expenses can only get you so far. If you make $40,000 a year and manage to cut your spending by 10%, you've saved $4,000. That's great. But if you increase your income by 10%, you've made an extra $4,000, and you didn't have to sacrifice a single thing. So ask for the raise, start the side hustle, learn a skill that pays more. The fastest path to $10,000 isn't by cutting out Netflix, it's by making more money. Third, you have to protect it, like your life depends on it, because in a way, it does. Once you start building that $10,000 fund, you will be tempted. A friend will invite you on a trip, a big sale will pop up, your own brain will tell you to reward yourself for being so good at saving. You have to say no. That $10,000 has one job and one job only: to exist. It is not vacation money. It is not, I deserve this money. It is, my entire reality shifts when I hit this number money. So you protect it. And fourth, once you hit 10,000, you don't stop. This is the biggest trap. People hit the goal and think, okay, I made it. I can relax now. No. 10,000 isn't the finish line. Financial freedom is the finish line. 10,000 is just the starting line. Once you hit it, you keep the system going. 20,000, 50,000. The skills you built to get to that first milestone, they're the exact same skills that will get you to 100,000. Let's be clear about something. $10,000 won't make you rich. It won't let you quit your job tomorrow. But it will do something far more important. It will prove to you that you are capable of more than you ever thought. It will quiet the part of your brain that is always, constantly panicking about money, and it will awaken the part that starts to plan, to dream, to build. The person with $10,000 isn't just $8,000 richer than the person with $2,000. They are living in a completely different reality. They sleep better, they think with more clarity, they start seeing opportunities where they used to see only obstacles. They are no longer stuck. You simply cannot build wealth until you build that foundation. So think about where you are right now. If you're not there yet, this isn't about deprivation or giving up everything you enjoy. It's about making a choice to prioritize your future self over your current impulses. It's a choice to build something that actually matters. And when you commit to that, everything changes. Not just your bank account, your mindset, your trajectory. So do this. Right now, today, set up that automatic transfer. Even if it's $100, start building. The best time to plant this tree was 5 years ago. The second best time is right now.